Hello everyone, this is Obapa. Today I'm going to show you how you can make cucumber cream. This cream is very good for the face and the body. If you want a glowing skin tone and a natural way to go, this recipe is the best for you. You are all welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the list of the ingredients that we are going to use. You need cucumber juice, so it's very easy to get cucumber to buy. So you need a cucumber juice. Also you need aloe vera gel. This is a fresh aloe vera gel that I made, the same as the cucumber juice I made myself, and I'm going to show you in this video how I made it. You need olive oil. You can change the oil. You can choose to use sweet almond oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, depends on you which type of oil you want to use. Also you need shea butter. Shea butter is very good for the skin, but if you want to change it, you can use any of the body butter like the mango butter that you want, or even aloe butter and the rest. You also need emulsifying wax for lotion. This is the emulsifying wax for lotion, not the hair condition emulsifying wax. You need emulsifying wax. Also you need lemongrass essential oil, and this essential oil smells so good. You can choose to change it to use fragrant oil or any type of essential oil that you want. You need preservative. You can choose to use any type of preservative that is used in cosmetics to make your lotion. It depends on you. So let's start making our cucumber juice. All you need to do is you clean your cucumber. You get one cucumber, you clean your cucumber, you cut it into pieces. Anyway, watch the video to the end because I have some question that I was asked, and I will answer the question when the video is about to end. So as you cut all your cucumber, what we are going to do next is to blend the cucumber. So you add your cucumber into your food processor or your food blender, then you blend it to get the liquid. So make sure you blend it very well. So it's so easy to make because you know cucumber is very good for the skin. It has a lot of benefits. Cucumber contains vitamin C, and even cucumber is good for those who have sensitive skin. So this recipe, you doesn't need much ingredient. It's just a little ingredient to create your own recipe. So easy to make. After you finish blending it, it should look like a thin cream, very thin cream. So you keep blending it. So next, what we are going to do is using a strainer, strain the plum of the cucumber from the liquid. And I did strain it for the second time because I want to make sure that I remove all the cucumber plum, because I only want the water in the cucumber to make this cream, so that the cream will look smooth. You won't see any particles in it. So what I did is I strained it for the second time, and I'm showing all that I do in this video. So the second time, what I use is I use paper towel to strain it, but you can use a cheesecloth to strain it. You can say take time. You can see the water is dropping little by little. I think it took me 15 minutes to get this water. So but you need to be patient because that's what we want. We want the lotion to look clean, smooth, without any particles. So after I finished straining my juice, what I did is I took the measurement that I want for my cream. So next, let's start making the aloe vera gel. So I have a lot of aloe vera gel plants in my house. Those who know me, or those who have come to my house, they know I have a lot of aloe vera plants. So I just take some to make this aloe vera gel. You can choose to buy some in the store. Some people sell them when you go to grocery store. So what you need to do is you carefully remove the plum from the aloe vera. So this is what I have here. Make sure you remove the green, everything like the skin. Make sure you remove the skin very well. You cut it into pieces, then you add your aloe vera into a food blender. This is the best way. Now you know we are using fresh aloe vera gel, and aloe vera is very good for the skin. So you blend the aloe vera gel for 3 minutes. Aloe vera contains a lot of antioxidant, vitamin A and C. It has a lot of benefits, so try and learn about it. When it comes to aloe vera, you can't joke with it. So you know cucumber is good, aloe vera gel is good, so our skin is very going to look good and glow. One thing about skincare is even when you are light or you are dark, you need to glow. your skin need to look healthy. You see, your skin needs to look free from blemishes and very clean. That's why you need to use sometimes a lot of natural ingredients in your product. So you add your aloe vera gel into your cucumber juice, and you add your oil, emulsifying wax, and the butter in one container. So what we are going to do is to do double broiler method. So you can see I have placed my 2 containers in water so that I can steam it for it to melt. Please don't microwave it because I don't want us to lose the nutrients in this water and oil. So try your best to double broil all your ingredients so that we can achieve what we want in this cream. So gentle stir the mixture to make sure everything has melted. So times go, so you stir it. So now you can see my oil has melted, my water is warm. So you off the heat, then you remove your water and your oil. You add the water phrase into the oil phrase, then you blend it very well. You know, cucumber help clean the skin and tighten pores. So please learn about cucumber, benefits of cucumber. When you Google it, you will learn a lot about it. Those of you who have been following me for years, I know making lotion or making cream is so easy for you to make. So this cream is going to be so easy for you to make, even when you close your eyes to make it. The new subscribers who are watching these videos too, when you follow the procedure, it's so easy to make. So my subscriber Adora, I hope I mentioned your name well. You asked me if my lotion looked too thick, what should I do? The question is, next time when you are making the lotion again, please decrease the amount of butter in the recipe. Example, if the butter is 50 grams and the oil is 30 grams, rather the butter have to be 30 grams and the oil have to be 50 grams, or the oil have to be 40 grams and the butter have to be 20 grams. That's how you do it. So anytime your lotion is too thick too, you can choose to add warm water, a little warm water to it, and you mix it too. When you mix it, try and add preservative to it again, because you have diluted the cream. If your recipe too contain or includes stearic acid or other thickener, decrease the amount or eliminate it completely. So if you do that, that means you need to increase your emulsifying wax, because normally the thickener will make the cream so thick. So if you remove the thickener from in, that means you need to increase the emulsifying wax so that the cream will not become too thick for you. If you have any difficulties making any of my recipe or anything, please comment below. Every week I will mention your name and answer your questions. So when everything cool down, what you need to do is you pour your cream into a container. Then you have your cucumber cream. You can use it as a face cream or body cream, and it's going to work for you. This cucumber cream video was requested by Adewale. I don't know whether you are a man or a woman, I don't know, but this is your video that you requested, and that is for you. You asked me to make cucumber cream, and that's for you. Please, those I haven't done your requested videos, please be patient. I have ordered my ingredient, but you know flights are not working. Most time I use flights like international flight to get my delivery in. So I'm having it difficult to receive my package because DHL is very expensive for me. Anyway, when my ingredients come in, I'm going to make all of you your videos for you. So keep sending in the request. And thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share my video, and click on the notification bell so that you can watch my new video when I post them. Bye bye.
Let's go.